Adobe Premiere 101, Adobe Premiere. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software developed by Adobe Inc. It's widely used in the film, TV, and online video industries for its robust features, flexibility, and integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications. Below is an overview of Adobe Premiere Pro, along with some advanced tips for creating videos with it. Overview of Adobe Premiere Pro. 1. Interface. Adobe Premiere Pro has a customizable interface with various panels such as the Project Panel, Timeline Panel, Source Monitor, Program Monitor, and many more. Users can arrange these panels according to their preferences. 2. Importing media. You can import various types of media files, including video, audio, and images, into Premiere Pro. This can be done by dragging files directly into the project panel or using the import command. 3. Editing tools. Premiere Pro offers a wide range of editing tools, including selection, razor, slip, slide, ripple edit, and many more. These tools allow you to trim clips, rearrange footage, add transitions, and perform precise edits. 4. Effects and transitions. Premiere Pro includes a vast library of effects and transitions that you can apply to your clips. These include color correction tools, audio effects, visual effects, and more. 5. Audio editing. Premiere Pro provides comprehensive audio editing capabilities, allowing you to adjust levels, apply effects, and mix multiple audio tracks. You can also synchronize audio with video clips and work with audio in a multi-track environment. 6. Titling and graphics. Premiere Pro features tools for creating titles and graphics directly within the application. You can use templates or create custom designs using text, shapes, and other elements. 7. Color correction and grading. Premiere Pro includes powerful color correction and grading tools, such as Tricolor. This allows you to adjust exposure, contrast, color balance, and other aspects of your footage to achieve the desired look. 8. Exporting. Once you've finished editing your video, you can export it in various formats and presets using Premiere Pro's export settings window. This allows you to optimize your video for different platforms and delivery methods. Advanced tips for creating videos with Adobe Premiere Pro. 1. Keyboard shortcuts. Learn and use keyboard shortcuts to speed up your editing workflow. You can customize shortcuts to match your preferences and streamline common tasks. 2. Proxy workflow. When working with high-resolution footage, consider using the proxy workflow to create lower-resolution proxies for editing. This can improve performance, especially on less powerful systems. 3. Nested sequences. Use nested sequences to organize and simplify complex timelines. You can create a sequence for a specific segment of your project and then nest it within the main timeline. 4. Audio ducking. Premiere Pro includes an automatic audio ducking feature that can help you quickly balance the audio levels between dialogue and background music. This is particularly useful for maintaining clarity in your audio mix. 5. Motion graphics templates, MOGRTs. Take advantage of MOGRTs to add dynamic graphics and animations to your videos. You can create your own templates or download them from Adobe stock and other sources. 6. Dynamic link with After Effects. If you need advanced visual effects or motion graphics, consider using Adobe After Effects in conjunction with Premiere Pro. Dynamic link allows you to seamlessly move between the two applications without rendering intermediate files. 7. Keyboard shortcut mapping. Customize your keyboard shortcuts to match your workflow. This can save a significant amount of time by eliminating the need to navigate through menus for commonly used commands. 8. Utilize adjustment layers. Adjustment layers allow you to apply effects or adjustments to multiple clips at once without altering the original clips. This is particularly useful for applying color grading or effects across an entire sequence. 9. Optimize playback performance. Adjust playback resolution and use the render and replace feature to improve playback performance, especially when working with high-resolution footage or effects-heavy sequences. 10. Master audio mixing. Spend time mastering audio mixing techniques to ensure that your final video has clear, balanced sound. Pay attention to levels, EQ, compression, and spatial effects to create a professional quality audio mix. These are just a few tips to help you get started with Adobe Premiere Pro and take your video editing skills to the next level. As you become more familiar with the software, don't hesitate to explore additional features and techniques to enhance your editing workflow and creativity.